Looking back when I was in my early 20s, guys, always getting into relationships, looking for a guy to love me because I never had that father figure while growing up back in Jamaica. But my grandfathers, they always played that father figure. Because I remember when I used to live with my aunt as a kid in Kingston because my dad, he was not stepping up to his responsibilities. Said my aunt had to send me back to Portland to live with my mom because my mom and my dad pull up and stuff and they had 3 kids, me and my 2 brothers. Said when I go back to Portland, and I went and I lived with my mom for a couple years, well, and then I just decided to just go and live with my grandparents. I was 11 at that time, like I said. So when I becomes 16 years old, I decided, said, I'm going back to Kingston to look for my dad. Said, I saw him and then I spent some time with my auntie, and my auntie discussed like school with my dad to send me to art trust. So when the appointed time come now for like school fee and preparation to go and learn a skill at art trust, my dad decided, said he's not going to take up that responsibility because said in life, guys, we have good dads and we have bad dads. The bad one them are the sperm donors. Said ladies, you cannot just meet a guy and say, yes, I'm going to settle down with a guy. Get to know that person. Get a job as young ladies. Send back yourselves to school. Because when my mom leave Portland and went to Kingston, a matter of fact, I heard that she run away from Portland to Kingston. Is that the way my mom met my dad? She was pretty young. Said, we as young ladies don't quick to rush into relationships and I'm gonna get married and stuff. Get to know your partner, because when those kids start coming, you start to see a dark side of your husband or your boyfriend or your baby father. So sometimes, guys, I live in Canada now, and sometimes I think about my dad because right now he's about in his late 60s or probably 70 now. Said, looking back now, I said to myself, my dad should be able to, yeah, I should be able to can help my dad to come to Canada, that he can travel back and forth, but because he was not that father figure, because I remember plenty times because my dad used to work at KPH as a porter back then, and he makes money. But as he makes that money, guess what? He gone to the resale shop. So sometimes I remember when my aunt used to send me, I said, tell me go and see if your father can give you money. But when I go and check my dad, God bless, guys, what he take from his pocket and give to me back then. Because sometimes when we get addicted to doing things, we cannot stop ourselves. Because I saw a lot of Jamaican ladies went through it. Just get pregnant and they have so much kids. So they have to be mother and father. Yeah, for their kids, including my mom, guys. Sometimes I miss my mom because when my mom passed away, she passed away 2008. And I miss my mom because she struggled with us. My mom was a higgler. Said sometimes we have to get to know our partner. Don't quick to have kids. Educate yourself, ladies, because when I start having kids, I'm in my late 20s. Said because I even remember this guy. He had his son, and sometimes we as parents think that buying your kids stuff, buying them clothes, giving them food and keep a shelter over their heads is it. It's not it. Sometimes you have to sit down and have a conversation with your kids, because when that young man died, he died from being overweight and stuff. So when he died from overweight because when he reached the hospital, I think he spent like 2 days in the hospital because his father think that just buying the food and come and put it on the table. You must see what your kids are doing. because my husband have went through so much with my first daughter. Yes, but sometimes we as parents, we have to be forgiving. Yes, we have to be forgiving, guys. Said plenty fathers in Jamaica. Sometimes some of them lost their life, violence. Yes, because sometimes when you don't have a dad anymore, sometimes you're looking for another father figure in someone is gonna let your kids do evil thing, because I saw so much of that in Jamaica. When those boys lost their fathers, anybody can pick up a weapon and say go and do bad things, and they will do it because you're looking for that father figure. Yes, guys, you're looking for that father figure. I saw so many young men went behind bars in Jamaica. That's why I make this topic that Jamaican fathers are not living up to their expectations. Said it's not just you get kids and said yes. You have to play that father figure in their lives, because my husband have fought so much with my first daughter. He have forgiven her so much. She have done so much things that I cannot even talk on the internet, guys. But we have to learn to forgive our kids. We have to learn to observe what they are doing, because sometimes you can have kids and they start going to school and they start getting to bad company, they start to smoke, they start to do the drugs. So we have to look what they are doing. You have to go and check their rooms at times, see what they are bringing from school. Yes, because sometimes a lot of kids bring home a lot of stuff you don't know. Even a weapon they can bring from school, because are keeping company with bad kids. Because I saw so much of that in Jamaica, guys. That's why I decided to do this video. Said as fathers, any father is watching this video, you have to play a role in your kids' life. It's not giving them material things. Material things is nothing. It's nothing, because I remember when my husband met his baby mother, he take her up with a child and he poured into that kid so much. He wanted that kid to become a body tech, like fixing vehicle. And at times he would listen to like his uncles, and his uncles mislead him. And right now he wish he would listen to my husband back then and learn that skill of become a body tech. Yes, guys, because my husband was not his dad. Sometimes my husband went through so much. Sometimes he tell me that, said sometimes it's best if you meet like a lady that does not have kids. But sometimes we cannot look on that negative side, because sometimes you pick up a lady with kids. Sometimes those kids are good, and sometimes your kids turn out to be ungrateful and don't even remember you in the future. So anyway, guys, thanks for listening, and just have a great day. Bye.